I just uncovered some footage from a train show at Scail Rails of Southwest Florida in 2015. So let's see where this came from. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. I just got a new computer for in this room right here for nothing but recording and streaming. I've had a computer in here for about a year, my old one that was 10 years old, and so it was getting to his last leg. Debbie had one that was even older than that, and so I gave her the one that was in here. The one I gave her, I put an SSD card in there so it would boot up a little bit faster, and it has a better graphics card in it. It has a NVIDIA 1050 Ti in it and 32 gigs of RAM. So it was a powerhouse back then when I bought it 10 years ago, and it still works pretty good, but it's too slow for recording or you know, what I want to do with it. So I got a new computer for in here, and while I was going through her old computer, I came across some videos that she took in 2015 at the Scail Rails Clubhouse. Now it was with a Nikon Coolpix S3100 or something like that. It's not a very expensive one. The color balance has been off on that thing ever since I got it, so we hardly ever used it. But back then she was going back and forth between two cameras. She had a 5200 and a 3100, and I guess while we was at the train show, she was using a 5200, and that one, the battery in that, and so instead of her replacing the battery in that one, she just started using the 3100. So it's kind of, you know, the white balance in the video is kind of off a little bit, but you get an idea. You can see how much has changed in the last 5 years. Some of the clips in there is scenery that is no longer there. In fact, the big section that I've taken in the last 2 years where they have the big old mountain scene, that was not there at the time, and what you see in this one, they completely took out and replaced it with the mountain scene in there. So I hope you enjoy it. I got a lot of other photos that I dug up this past weekend. Haven't been feeling too good. I was going to go to the train show up in Largo, Florida, but I didn't feel like driving for 2.5 hours, so we decided not to go. Maybe we'll hit Suncoast Center for Fine Scale Modeling next Saturday before we leave out for Maryland the following week. I'm a little bit behind schedule because I've been under the weather for the past few days, so I haven't got a lot done. All the things that I said that I was going to do before I went on vacation probably won't get done because I only have a week left, and I got a lot of things to do and hardly any time to do it in. So here's the Scail Rails lost footage. Hope you enjoy.
Come on. And that's the fake. This fake. No. I asked Dennis, and he said, well, we don't need her. The last year she worked both days as a gate to taking in the money and stuff. It's been a real fun time there. She worked with a couple of the other wives and really enjoyed it. She's all set to come back. She's going to come tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you. You'll stay a little while longer. He's looking for some stuff for a grandson. We've got a contemporary set of things. He needs some rubber and trees, and he needs some built.
Okay. Yeah. We use this, it's easier for us to put them up in the system. We can do radio control and everything. Yeah. Without having to plug in. Good, yeah. Good, Dwight. How you doing? Good. I do have to scale at home also. Yeah, you can just get more into it. Not down here, at least. Like a rock. Yeah, and that scales down a lot better with that. We can run everything electronically with ACC.
Well, they didn't. They took away its monopoly. I guess you still do see those cars. See fewer of them perhaps because Sweetport's coming out. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one that, well, there's one coming.
Oh, I didn't see that one.
Sneaking up on
Oh, no, I didn't see that one coming.
listen to that. Boy, that's something, that's something that long working on this quality. That's not an easy quality. So they were only that in the back. So that boy,
So you got to send away.
Yeah, that's the best thing possible. I'll have a shop something again, but you can come online and You need a mid bed and get them overnight. I mean, it's a lot cheaper for us. I mean, we support our 16. Get your train up in there? I'll rough over here somewhere. Somewhere up here.
The California and the country far on.
Yeah, that's San Bernardino.
Yeah. Up there in the station.
I came across a lot of footage that we took when we was in Colorado. I don't think I ever showed you when we was at the Colorado Railroad Museum in 2013. We was up there when we visited my daughter for Thanksgiving, and so I have some footage there. I don't think I showed you any of that, so I'm going to be going through that footage before I leave, and probably put it on my laptop, and while I'm gone I'll set that up and put that on the video for later on. So until the next time, we'll see ya.